Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to the DIY Yachty channel. Welcome if it's your first time here. In this video today, I'm working on a Audi A4, and basically it's got a P0106 code, and the vehicle is experiencing like a loss of power, and the 106 code basically is saying the map sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor, is faulty. Sometimes it could just be dirty, or it might be, bad and needs to be replaced. But to get to the sensor, it's down in the engine bay below this air intake hose. So first step is to get that hose out of the way. It's held in place by two clamps, which are flathead screws, or 8 millimeters should do the trick. The top and the bottom, get those removed, and also whatever hoses you want to move out of your way to get a little more space to work. You can move this top radiator hose. I did take the top radiator hose loose, and also this tank, the fill tank for the coolant. I just took it loose and moved it over to get some more working space, basically. So that's just one Phillips head screw, and then you have to disconnect the sensor at the bottom of the tank. So basically these sensors has like a little clip, a locking clip. So let me show you a quick shot of that. You can use your finger to do this, but some of these are kind of brittle. So on the sensor, you want to unlock by expanding, twisting the screwdriver and pressing down on that outer clip. You push in and then pull back, and that's pretty much it to get those off of there. Okay, some of them you'll be able to do with just your finger. You won't need a screwdriver. But some of them, like I said, they are kind of brittle, and it's kind of hard to get it removed without a screwdriver. Okay, so this plug here is actually for the map sensor, but it's kind of tight down in there, so I wasn't able to show you when I was pulling it apart. But this is the map sensor here, and what I ended up having to do was actually use a small, probably like an 1.5 inch, 2-inch screwdriver to help me break that loose to get it off of there. Okay, so this car is actually experiencing power loss, and it's kind of like got so hard to drive, where it would be very slow in traffic, and it'd be holding up, it would be holding up traffic. So I had to see what the issue is with it. Okay, so that's what the wire looks like on, when it's plugged onto the sensor, and just to get it off, to access this sensor, it's in a really tight spot. Okay, not so much getting the wire off, but removing the sensor. So I had to use like a little socket set. It's was a T20 was the socket. This is what the sensor looks like, top, bottom, and it's a 4-pin sensor, by the way. And this is a type of socket set that I use, and like I said, it was a T20, and it really, gave me a little work to get to that sensor. But after the sensor was placed, problem was corrected, car is good to go. Hope this video was helpful. Please consider subscribing. It is totally free. Hit that thumbs up button, and bless up. This is DIY Yachty.